So there's Zeke hard at it, making our neck brace. Drilling center out of it. Drilling and cutting, I should say. This is what we've got done so far here. I just welded the bungs in for the gas tank. Clean them up a little bit, and we can get some pictures of the tank on the bike. It's coming together slowly. Got all our fender braces welded on, or at least tacked on. Got our little buttons for our seat. We'll put some holes in there for some cotter keys or something. Some hairpins, cut those off. Our seat mounts tacked on. Got some brass bushings in there. So now he's got these holes drilled out. We might go another step up yet, and then we'll run our grinder in here. We'll cut this out, and we'll take our file in there and spend 19 days filing that out nice. And then we have a piece that gets welded here. That will go in there as such. We might end up mounting our coil right in here. I'm not sure yet. Here's our fake oil tank that was a project from something else. The end caps. It'll probably just be for holding electronics and maybe a key. But that'll probably get cut off, and we'll just do some mounts here on the ends. That'll be somewhere in there. Something in that region, maybe. This is one that I did that was similar. This was hubcaps or something that I cut the dish out of the center, and then cut an outer ring and welded them and smoothed them. And then obviously that's a piece of tubing. That's what we have going on for mounts. Yeah, this one turned out pretty good. The other one's just flat caps on the end and a little smaller, but it'll still look good. And then we got to move on to controls. But anyway, there it is, YouTube.
Hey, this is Zeke, just to give you an update. I drilled holes with the drill press through all these, put 2 or 4 here, and then got a bigger drill bit, drilled them out again, took an even bigger one, and just made holes
You just stepped it down in, give it a little bit of recess.
on both sides. So go under like that. Have a piece in there. It's already welded.
You want to show them where we're going to cut the piece out of the middle?
Right there. You have anything you're gonna put in there, or is that just gonna be open?
We'll just leave that open. Like I said earlier, we might mount the coil on the bottom part of that. We're not sure yet. But for the most part, tank's mounted up. Zeke drilled a lot of holes today. Got some frame gussets welded in there. Working on the fake oil bag there. And that's what we got done so far. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.